Weave, you're doing an awesome job helping this little boy. Don't you yar me, you little shit. You guys need to learn to pick up your stuffed toys. Look at all the stuffed toy shrapnel. Start picking that shit up, okay? You too, Ricky. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't you yar. Come here. Come here, you little shit. Come here. Mess with the bull, you get the horn. Crazy toads. Get him. Take that shit from him. He's always underneath you. That's cheating. He never stops. He never stops playing. You always stop. Oh, yard to the head. Yard to the head. Oh, you ain't taking that shit. Punch in the face. Good boy, Duck. You ain't taking your shit today, Weave. Come here. Oh, she punched him. Ouch! Don't yar me. He's the one doing it. Oh, boy. He never stops. He's like this constantly. Oh. Surprised he didn't get scared of the car. Good boy, Doc. He's running to me for help. He ain't the most tame yet, but he's used to us. He comes in looking for help. Like, Daddy keeps picking on me. Look at him. Oh, he better leave. She's gonna nail him. Nope, Duck's gonna nail her. There's a pecking order, isn't there, Duck? Yes, there is. She's stirring her shit again. What? What? Get it. What? What? What is it? Stranger danger. Something's in the area. She don't like it. You know you're getting too fat for this, right? She is with her summer coat. It's getting so skinny. Every time she gets nervous and lets out a wolf, that little shit heads for the den. He knows the drill. Come here, buddy. She gives the all clear, he comes running. You're such a big chicken every time your mom looks at people. You go running, don't you? And you don't come out until she lays down and relaxes. As soon as she relaxes, they'll come back down the hill. As soon as she woofs, he heads up that hill. Right behind that tree is where his den is. Her den, I guess. What's he got? What's he got? You eat so many dang bugs. I don't have to feed you if you eat so many bugs. That's how we've learned. What is it? What is it? What do you got? What are you even after? Can we see what you're after? Can we see what you're after? Well, I see a little black bug. You got it. Oh. Duck don't eat bugs. Playtime's over. She's exhausted. She's exhausted. Huh? Are you exhausted? Oh, yar. What was that for? Huh? What was that for? He just don't stop. He never stops. Duck knocks the piss out of him when he gets like this. He's getting big too. You guys doubled in size. You're a good mommy.